how to make calls from Zoho CRM. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make calls directly from Zoho CRM. So stick with me till the end to make sure you don't miss any important steps. Alright, first head over to the official Zoho CRM website. Once you're there, look for the sign in button at the top right. Click that and you'll see a few login options. For a quicker login experience, I recommend using the Google option. Once you're logged into your dashboard, click on the Contacts tab from the side menu. This is where all your leads and existing contacts are stored. Take a moment to get familiar with this section. It'll make everything easier down the road. Now find the contact you want to call. Next to their phone number, you'll see a little green phone icon. That's your calling tool. Click on it and it'll show you different options depending on which telephony apps you've integrated like Skype, WhatsApp, or even native calling services. Just choose your preferred calling app and you're calling straight from Zoho CRM. No need to switch between tabs or copy phone numbers. Plus, one of the best parts, Zoho automatically logs your call activity under that contact's timeline. So later on, you can review who you talked to, and when super helpful for tracking communication history. And that's it. Making calls from Zoho CRM is simple, fast, and helps keep all your communication in one place. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Zoho CRM and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.